guys, today is an animal tour for the little kids watching this. I think the big kids will get too bored. So we are going to find, we found Misty. We found Misty. Misty, hi. Hi, girl. We found Misty. Let's look for another animal. We found Ellie. Hi, kitty. She's so cute. She likes to walk you guys. She's going to try to walk you guys. You gonna try to walk us? You gonna walk us? You gonna walk us? Huh? What are you gonna do? 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 Okay. So yeah. I'm doing an animal tour for Nana.
You didn't eat? Did you eat?
Yes.
Oh.
We got Misty. She's a cute, what is she?
Pomeranian Chihuahua.
Pomeranian Chihuahua. She's so fluffy. She's going to get her medi-pedi on Wednesday, huh? Let's go find Jessie. Jessie, hi. Hi. How are you? She is so cute. She's really big, fluffy, and I think she is an adorable German Shepherd. I don't know if she's mixed or not. But she loves to play with this brand new toy she just got. She loves toys. She got this for Christmas, and she has not chewed it up at all. She takes really good care of toys, and she loves to have fun. Let's go find Charlie, the bird. Charlie! Hi! 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 So we got Charlie here. She loves to play with bells. She rings this purple circle bell when she is hungry. She loves to always ring it no matter what. She rings it normally when she's hungry. Oh, are you ringing your bells? Are you ringing your bells? What are you doing?
Take care of it.
I got it.
What are you doing? You gonna follow me? Are you gonna follow me? Aw. See guys, she loves to ring her bell. She loves it. Now, let's go and, let's go see what Ellie's up to. I found Jessie's toy. We got Ellie, the precious kitty. Hi. Hi. Are you gonna smack us again? Are you in the mood to smack? Are you gonna smack? Guys, oh my gosh, she's so pretty. She's so pretty, oh my gosh, you're a pretty kitty. She has her own cute little tree. She uses these to climb up her tree. And she basically jumps onto there. She has all these other spaces, and that one's her favorite because she's higher up. Or I guess that one in the corner is the highest. But that one she feels comfortable, and she's always in this one whenever I see her. Huh, isn't that right? She's so pretty. We're doing a retour if you didn't get to see all the animals good or learn about them as much. So we got Misty. She loves to eat carrots and her treats. She loves those. She is so cute.
Give my carrot.
Ooh, you want a carrot? You want a carrot? So does Jessie. Jessie loves carrots. They think it's a treat, so they eat it. Find the carrots. Okay. Time to give you guys a treat. Oh, there you go. There you go. They are off with their delicious treats. There we go. And of course, that's her favorite spot. She always eats her treat over there. Let's see, how do I fix this camera? Camera's blurry. And then Jessie, I think, already finished hers. She loves carrots. They think they're treats, and they like them. Yes, they're so cute. We went to the store, and we got the bird some stuff. We went to the bird store. We got her some stuff. We got her this, where she can peck on her beak. So, and then she got a cute tree. That's so cool. And then I love these. They're her little stand things. And this goes through the cage and she pecks on it to help her beak. Except it is not food. Do not eat. this is the thing of treats that you keep their treats in. You feed this to the bird, and they're little pebbles that the bird eats. Let's go see the bird again. Hi. You like that bell? So cute. She normally gives herself a bath in her water bowl. She always gives herself a bath after she's done eating. You can tell there's food in there. Yes. We got Jessie, Ellie, Misty. Gotta find Misty. Misty. And Nana. Her YouTube channel, Nana's House.
Nana's house.
Woo! Okay, so let's give Jessie her toy. I don't think that was very far at all. Where are you gonna go? 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 Jessie, find your carrot. Did you save your carrot? Meanwhile,
My animals. There's no more food for you. You are through.
meanwhile with Ellie. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh la la, craft. Dun 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 I'll see you when I'm ready for the outro. If you enjoyed seeing the animals, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay Nana House. We out. Stay Nana's house. Stay Nana. We out. I can't find the right words for it.